Match 53 in 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
And on the red lines, Robotics are the first to get their preloaded note into the speaker, quickly joined by Prototypes. On blue, meanwhile, they have 3 notes scored already. Funky Monkeys not quite getting a 4th, but they have 1 more shot at it, picking up that note, and that one does make it into the blue speaker. And our teams will start telling up virtually tied. Red already getting 1 more note in their speaker, and Misfits trying to bring one over to that red amp. And on blue, meanwhile, 1 note has been scored in the amp already, and the competition button activated, and Power Up are coming over, looking to add another. And Funky Monkeys for blue, shooting into the speaker. Getting 1 note, finding another, and that one finds its target as well. Back on red, Prototype shooting into the speaker, and Misfits into the amp. Meanwhile, their alliance partners, Robotics, are crossfield, on the hunt for some notes from their source. And it is still a close match, and with just over a minute 30, both teams have activated that competition bonus. And speaking of things to do with the amp, blue has amplified their speaker. Funky Monkeys already getting 1 shot in there and trying to race back in time with another. And back on red, meanwhile, Prototypes and crossfield, both coming back with a note from their source, while Misfits add a 2nd note to that red amp, which is ready to amplify as soon as one of their alliance partners comes back. And that may be Robotics making their way underneath the blue stage, coming back with a note. Meanwhile, all 3 of blue's robots are at the source. That leaves Robotics with a free path to red speaker. Misfits shooting for the same, not quite making their mark. However, Prototypes are also coming back to the speaker for red. They are lining up, and that shot does find its target into a now amplified red speaker. And 8016 trying to take advantage of those last couple seconds of amplification, but it looks like they don't have quite the grip on the note that they need. The Red Alliance, however, is pulling ahead with just over 30 seconds in the match. And 8016 shoots once again the red speaker. Lionbots come back for blue. Blue speaker now amplified. Their shot unfortunately bounces out, but Power Up coming back to the Blue Alliance as well. And we are now into the final 20 seconds, the end game of the match. It looks like Red Alliance trying to get a last couple of notes scored. Blue doing the same. 10 seconds left. Funky Monkeys coming in underneath the blue stage. On red, it is Misfits trying to get up in the air. They have 1 hand on that chain. 3 seconds left. Looks like blue has a couple robots parked. And 8016 finishes on stage for the Red Alliance. Your winners for the match by a score of 63-44. The Red Alliance earned a total of 3 ranking points, and the Blue Alliance picked up 1.